Hello Barbies! Today is a very exciting day. I dyed my hair turquoise.
Hey, what? Look at that fashion over gas and all these bitches. Hey, look how that Mari sit up nasty on them inches. Hey, big ol' booty, bet your nigga take a picture. Hey, diamond, yeah, book a flight, link up with you. What? Look at that fashion over gas and all these bitches. Hey, look how that Mari sit up nasty on them inches. Hey, big ol' booty, bet your nigga take a picture. Hey, diamond, yeah, book a flight, link up with you. Barbies, I got issues.
Okay, no, for reals. Let's talk about hair in oVertone. oVertone is like not a hair dye, but it's like a deep coloring conditioner, which is so good because it doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it and it really hydrates your hair. I can like definitely feel a boost of hydration in my hair. I'll show you guys exactly what my products looks like right here. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I mean, like, this video is not sponsored, but you know, if they reached out to me, I wouldn't mind. Honestly, I haven't seen any reviews on oVertone, or that many reviews, and especially on their new limited edition colors like this turquoise one, and then they also have a coral color, and I really wanted to try the turquoise, so I got the turquoise. I have been wanting to get this color for so long and I could never find any like hair dyes that really is like this vibrant and this shady, but I'm so happy that I've actually tried oVertone and it's so healthy for your hair, and they also have different products that you can use over time. Let's talk about packaging first. Mine came in like a basic, you know, cute little box. It comes with a 8-ounce coloring conditioner, a daily conditioner, and then also a little travel size one, which I think is so cute. And all of this is for $47. I would honestly recommend this to all my friends just because each step of the way is really awesome. The fact that they have a daily conditioner that you can use weekly, it hydrates and tones your hair back to, like, you know, like an even turquoise, or like if it's fading, it help bring it back to life, you know what I mean? And also you can shower with hot water and not cold water every time you shower, because I know how it feels. I would dye my hair so many colors and I would always use hot water and it would fade away so fast, and then I would have to be like, oh my gosh, I need to spend more money. But no. And like I said, this is a limited edition, so I had to get my hands on this fast, and I bought 2 packs. So I spent about like $100 on all of it, but I think it's really worth it if you're really trying to, like, you know, save your hair from damaging like me. Yeah, this is something I probably continue using and probably try out their different shades. But you know, let's just get started. I'll show you guys how I got this hair. It's really so easy. And yeah. Alright Barbies, this is my hair color right now. I bleached my roots like a week ago just so it can like rejuvenate and, you know, revive itself. But let's just get started. Actually, I need a glass of wine before we get started. Yeah, this is it. Okay, let's just get started. I'm gonna first put on some gloves so I don't get any stains. Yeah, it is a conditioner, but they do say that it stains your hands, so you definitely want to put on some gloves before anything. So this is the coloring conditioner. It's about 8 ounces in here, and I say it's a pretty good size compared to my head, but I bought 2 of them just in case, because I'm like that person who has to have extra, and it's okay if we have extra because I can always use it later when like my hair fades. but let's just dig in. So the way how I saw people applied it, they just applied it like shampoo. So I'm just gonna apply it like shampoo. Oh wow, it smells super super minty. This is the color. It looks so pretty. I'm so excited. Like, it like smells like spearmint and kind of like the dentist, but like in a good way, if you know what I mean. Okay, well, I'm just gonna grab like a good amount and let's just start at my ends. I feel like I should do sections, but it's too late for that. Oh well. Okay, you obviously want to use this on like pre-lightened hair like mine. My hair is super damaged. That's why I'm using like oVertone. It's like the deep conditioning, and my hair needs a lot of deep conditioning. Like, as you can tell, like I have so much split ends and it's just kind of crazy. This already is like so pretty. I thought it was gonna be like a more blue, because this is like a pretty dark blue if you can't really see it because of the gloves. But on the hair it looks really turquoise, and wow, like I'm so amazed, so excited to like really see this now, because this is looking good. Okay, I don't even know if you're supposed to put this on damp hair or wet hair. Maybe I should have looked at that first. Did I use it on? Okay, apply evenly to dry hair. Okay. I'm really bad at reading directions because I am that type of bitch who just likes to dive in and like take action for myself, but I always forget to read instructions. I'm just like, I'm gonna do it my way. But so far it's looking good, hopefully, when it turns out good. The reason why I wanted to use oVertone wasn't just to do a review. I honestly really wanted to try this out because, as you can see, I have really damaged hair, and I feel like I'm gonna just keep damaging it until it falls off, which is probably the worst. But I mean, like, a coloring conditioner, that is like literally so amazing, and I'm so happy that I really found this. But let's see how happy I am at the end of this video, because I mean, like, if you were just to like this half of my face, I'm loving it already. I've already used like almost half the container, so good thing I bought two, because I probably would be so sad if I didn't have enough product for my hair. So I'm gonna like really mix this into my hair first before going to another, I can't say section, but you know, another side of my hair. I'm really bad at keeping things nice and clean. I'm a messy bitch, like, let's be honest, I'm a messy ass bitch. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side, because as you know, like when you dye your hair, if you do one side first, it's gonna be more vibrant than the other. So, you know, trying to make it look even. I am so excited. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, let's talk more about the product, because this is a review. So far it's going good. It really blends evenly, and like it's not like harsh dye, so it's like, oh, you can't, like, you have to do like a certain way. No, like this is pretty amazing. And you're only supposed to leave it in your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm thinking about putting it like 20 to 25, 30 minutes, because you know me, I just like to be extra and have extra time and have things super extra. So I'm gonna leave it in for probably about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse my hair. So my hair is smelling pretty minty, it's like going good. I'm just super excited to see the outcome because oh my gosh, I can't wait to be a new bitch, honestly. I look like a crackhead right now, but I can't wait to be a new bitch. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. My boyfriend is like somewhere else right now, and he's gonna be so shocked when he gets home because he knows I'm dyeing my hair turquoise today, and he's seen the product and he's like super excited for me to dye my hair too. But should I film out how he react to this? Let's film how he react to this. I'm not too sure what time he's gonna get home, but I'm excited. I think he'll honestly love this. He loves having a new bitch as his girlfriend every other month, you know? He just loves having a new bitch as his girlfriend. No, but like, he really loves when I have new hair colors. He loves it when I get my nails done too. Like, he's always, whenever I ask him like, oh, what kind of shape I should get, he's always like, stiletto. I don't know why he likes stiletto. I love stilettos, but he loves stiletto. That's probably why we're together. This is crazy. Like, I don't even know who this is in the mirror. This is so crazy. Okay. Well, I'm pretty sure I didn't get the full bag. Like, oh, yikes. Right here, probably. I'm almost done with this one, so thank God for buying 2 of these. So I'm gonna open the second container and just like kind of slather everything and make sure everything is like nice and saturated and moist. I just finished up my hair and put my hair in a high bun, and I'm gonna wait 30 minutes. I still have about a good amount of product left in here, so I'm gonna save that for the next time my hair like starts fading really fast. Like I said, I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and I'll be right back to show you how this turns out. I'm so freaking excited. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm probably gonna like touch up my makeup more and like, you know, look beautiful and stuff, and yeah, you know. Okay guys, I wasn't gonna show this part because I look so busted, but I'm just gonna do it because this is my first impression of my hair, first whatever, you know. And yeah, let's just show you it, show myself it. Like, oh my god, oh my god, this is crazy. I look like a bubble gum. Oh my god, I look like a tomato with bubble gum, but I'm gonna fix that soon. But like, wow, this is so vibrant and my hair feels like so soft. Okay Barbies, this is it. I know my makeup and my earrings are super dramatic, but you know, it's as dramatic as my hair, and you know, I'm just so extra all the time. But this is my natural hair. I haven't straightened it or anything. So I'm gonna just style it really quickly, maybe curl it up really quickly and do close-ups, and yeah, say our goodbyes. So we'll be right back.
You got it, babe, you got it. You got it, babe, you got it. Tell me why you out here messing with these lame hoes. They ain't bringing nothing to the table. You and me was meant to be, I know you'd say so. Baby, you know you got it, baby, got it. Ooh.
Okay Barbies, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I am so in love with my hair right now, and I am so in love with oVertone at the moment. I don't think I'm gonna go with any other brand for the moment. If I do, you guys will know because I'll obviously post a video. But right now, I'm so excited. I can't wait to try out the daily conditioner to see how it works. And if you guys want to learn how it works or want to know the process of it fading, comment down below and I might do a video about that. If you guys like this eye look right here, you guys can go onto my Instagram and I have a little video on how I did this eye look right here. Alright Barbies, this is it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Follow us on Instagram at the.asian.barbies. And yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you guys, and we love you guys so much. Alright, I'm going to show my boyfriend his first impressions of my turquoise hair. Sorry for this lighting and this unstableness. But yeah, it's like currently 1 a.m. and we're about to drink. Nigga, you need to chillax.
Sorry.
Fucking Max.
New toy. No. New toy.
While he's playing games.
I just started. Oh, I love your hair color. Oh, my god. It's
Good.
It's good.
Oh shit.
Well, he loves it, so bye. Peace. That was fun. Alright. This is it. Let's go out.